This is for Chris.
That's something stupid.
Andrew, if you're gonna be greedy, Santa Claus
Close.
Oh, do you not know how to open presents?
You only closed it.
Look, you got a Joker shirt and a Batman hoodie.
Let me take the picture.
It's good being bad.
You like that?
Austin has like 10 different
What's
presents,
next?
so.
Um,
No, up in Austin's from, not that one, the other ones.
What is
You
that?
dropped your shirt on the
That
floor,
Santa?
son. He don't care.
It'd be alright.
this
That's
is a
for me.
toy.
Well, open it up and look at it.
I know it's a toy. I was right.
You like it?